Okay guys, they're coming down. This is cool. Never gets old. It's exciting when you see them coming over the horizon, knowing that they've gone 300 plus miles and they're coming to the end of their trails right here. Great job.
Sunday. Come on down to the fairgrounds. You guys having a good day?
Now we are.
Hey, you guys may want to scoot back on the sidewalk, okay?
I will take her advice. Wow. Check this out. It's a lot different from the times before. First one I watched, or second one I watched, cattle were actually running down the street. Here we go.
Hello, people! In the shade.
Long
so
ride?
far. Hey.
God, this is so cool. Welcome to Reno.
Afternoon. Thanks for coming out, folks.
Oh, thanks for having us.
Rodeo. Come on down.
300 miles plus. I was actually talking to a cowboy that was on the trail, and he got injured, so they didn't let him finish the ride. He was telling me they ride 8 hours, rest, 8 hours, rest, and it started a week ago. Hello. I'm not sure if these people here actually started in Winnemucca. They look pretty fresh to have gone 300 miles on the trail. So I doubt any of these people in these wagons actually went the 300 miles. Anyway, that's it. So the rodeo, they're gonna go down here. The fairground is just right down yonder. They're going to drive the herd into the fairgrounds, and then they'll put them, they'll feed them, water them, get them ready for the rodeo this weekend. As I mentioned, this doesn't get old. You have to be here to experience it. Seeing the drive come over the horizon, it's really cool and really worth the trip. Anyway, JT saying peace out here. I've got to get back to the office and get caught up on some work. It's going to be kind of hard getting through all this stuff, but we'll see what happens. All right, everybody, peace out.